guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, my name is Priya and I do a ton of unboxings and reviews on my channel.
Tell them what your name is.
And today's video is no different. I have Jeffree Star's 2021 Summer Mystery Box right here. And the box that I purchased is the Supreme box. It's a little beat up, but I'm super excited. It's a lot smaller than the other boxes, than the other Supreme boxes that I've purchased in the past. Those I couldn't even carry. It was hard. But this, yeah, it's kind of light, small. I'm interested to see what kind of goodies are in here. And the packaging on this one is like glossy and it's supposed to be like a hot coral color. And it's got light blue Jeffree Star logo with the little question marks for the mystery box. So let's crack this baby open and see what we got. So what I'm wearing today is the t-shirt that I got from the spring mystery box. That's why it's like green and yellow, if you guys are wondering. But yeah, so I've opened this baby up and let's see what we got. So right away, huge yellow box right in there. I think I know what this is. It's a hand mirror. Oh my God. And it's yellow. So it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics hand mirror. Oh my God. I got Pinksicle. Oh my gosh. The last spring mystery box I got, guys, I got like this chocolate brown mirror and I did not like it at all. So I'm so excited to see what this is. Even if it's yellow, I don't care. Like, I wouldn't mind at all. Just anything but brown. I don't like brown. Oh no, I'm so excited. I'm just like tearing through this thing. Come on. Oh my gosh. You guys are not ready. It's a creamsicle or popsicle, whatever you call it. And it's pink. It's hot pink, just like my lips. I love it. Oh my gosh. And it's square. I don't want to blind you guys, but like it's square. It's such a nice mirror. Oh, look at this. Look at this. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's so lightweight. And this is like the perfect mirror for your girl. Let's see what else we got. After you take the hand mirror out, it's just a bunch of stuffing. So let's take this out. Oh my God, I just see everything pink and purple in here. I am so excited. Pink and purple, yes. Ooh, what is this? Is this a magnetic pan? Oh, it is. It's just an empty pan to put like your loose eyeshadows in. And this should be magnetic. Pretty sure it's magnetic. Okay, cute, cute. And a bunch of the single eyeshadow pans that I got from the spring mystery box would be perfect to put in here and just, you know, keep so they don't like get lost anywhere. This looks like a palette. I'm gonna rip this open. Oh my gosh, it's his new ranch palette. Is that what it's called? Ranch? Star Ranch. Oh my God. It's like this rustic baby pink feel. It's got like the old school lettering on it. I don't know about you guys, but I totally keep the cardboard compartments that all the palettes come in. Star Ranch. Oh my gosh. How adorable. What unique packaging for Jeffree. Like, this is so cute. You've got like a bison and a horse and it says Star Ranch, a gold logo up here. How adorable. And the back is just like this blue sky. Oh, you guys, I'm gonna be using this palette quite a lot. Look how beautiful these shades are. Oh my gosh. If you've got like little pops of color here, How cute. And I love this chocolatey brown in the middle. So you've got Yak Farm, Owl Eyes, Open Range, Casper Mountain, Wyoming, Star Greek, Old Jeff, Grand Prismatic, and Winter Wind. It's really neutral and completely different for what he typically tends to do, but I actually think this is the perfect size, and I feel like it has all my colors in it. Okay, all right, I like it, I like it. Next thing in here is this a pool blow-up ball? I think it is. And it's pink and it's got Jeffree Star. Oh my God, how cute. So it's like a blow-up ball for the pool. Okay, I don't see a golden ticket in here yet, but let's just keep on digging. Just to give you guys my view of what I'm looking down at, I see tie-dye and it's pink and it's purple. So, oh my God. Is this a shirt? And this time, guys, I purchased the right size for me. I purchased a small box. Wait, what? What? Is this a freaking tank top? Who is actually supposed to wear this? What? Let me back up so I can show you guys. It's a freaking tank top. Okay, it's got the J-Star look. I got excited for nothing. I really thought it was a t-shirt, and I was about to take this off and put it on, but... Okay. So it's a small. Let me stand up. So basically, all of this would be open. Down to my hip. It would be open. Annoyed. And I'm never annoyed by Jeffree Star, so I just can't believe I got excited for nothing. Okay. Extreme Frost. Okay. Tune your face with just one swipe. Rich and decadent, drenched in glitz. So blinding, it hurts. Beauty tip. Finger application suggested. Tap on for blinding filter finish. Ooh, I got stripper magic. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Guys, this packaging. Oh my gosh. So adorable. It's like this really nice pastel green color. And as I mentioned when I did the last box, like it's a really nice box. Stripper Magic Extreme Frost. Gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Oh, yes. That's so pretty. And I have Velour lip liner in Dominatrix. It's a very, very deep shade, but let's swatch this one too. Okay, it's just a really, really nice brown. And all of his lip pencils are eye safe too, so you could also use this as eyeliner. Okay, I got some loose pigments. Woohoo! All right, so right here is Mint Condition, which looks like a really pretty green color. And I'm actually gonna take these out because I'm gonna try to put them in the pan that we got. Here's Mint Condition. The next one is called And What? And it looks like a sparkly little reddish shade. And then the last one in here is called Blood Sugar, which is from the Blood Sugar palette. So this is a little bit of like a burnt red with glitter in it. So these are the 3 loose pigments that I got in the box. Got my palette, and let's pop these in and let's see if it's magnetic. I mean, it should be. Yay, it's magnetic. How cute, how perfect. I can put all of my loose shades in here. Very interesting choice of shades that they included in the summer mystery box, but Yay, I love this. So useful. I have a Velour lip scrub in Candy Necklace. Ooh, and it's got a little picture of like a candy necklace too, like the kind you get for like Valentine's Day and stuff. Oh, it's purple. Is it purple? Looks purple to me. It's like a lavender color. Wow, smells so good. It literally does smell like the candy necklaces, those nasty little candies strung up on a string. Ooh, I got a Velour liquid lipstick and I got... Is this new, guys? Is this new packaging that looks like a yak on it? It doesn't have a color on it. It just has the symbol of like the yak. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. And I know I didn't swatch anything in the last box, so I feel so bad, but let me swatch it. I don't know how to describe this. I would say like a terracotta color. There we go. Terracotta? Little coral. The gloss in the black and white marble packaging. Ooh. And we have Heaven's Gate. So pretty. Look at this. It's like a silver with glitter in it. Let's swatch this too. It smells like vanilla. Oh, that is beautiful. So here's the gloss in Heaven's Gate. So cute. I got a Supreme gloss. I wonder if it's one of the ones that I already own. Let's see. It's Naked in the Dark. It's probably a nude. Let's swatch this. So it looks like a very lilac-y pink nude color. Oh, this is gorgeous. I actually love purpley pinks because I just feel like they look really good on my skin tone and on me. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Last thing in here is just a bunch of wrappers and stuff, but you guys, oh my gosh. I cannot throw this tissue paper away. It's $100 bills and it has Jeffree on them. I think I have an idea considering that it's covered in Jeffree's money. I'm gonna carefully unwrap this. It's the Blood Money palette. Oh my gosh. Wow, this thing is incredible. So this is the carton. I'm gonna carefully try to take it out because like I said before, I don't throw away these cardboard little cartons. Oh my gosh. It's like faux like crocodile skin and you've got like these really nice gold hardware on all the corners. And then this gold clasp right here. And then it says Blood Money. Let's take this off. Oopsies, that just fell. It's so gorgeous. Oh my God. This just really stuck out to me. This shade called Money Heist has like a person's face with like a ski mask on. How cool is that? You've got some cha-ching symbols. What is that supposed to be? Oh, that's supposed to be a safe. It's called Secret Stash. Heavy weighted. Dollar bills flying away right there. So mint condition is right there in the palette, but I also got a mint condition loose eyeshadow. Those two shades are not similar at all, in my opinion. This one is way more dull and it's got a little gray to it, and this is a lot more brighter. Huh. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Since I have two of them, I'm just gonna swatch this one to show you guys how pigmented it is. And it's got a credit card in it. Wow, that's a lot of pigment. But if you're gonna spend like what, 60, 70 bucks on a palette like this, it better work. All right, guys, that was it for my summer Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed watching me open everything up and seeing all the swatches and stuff. Oh, what do you guys think? Is it worth it? I paid $180 for the Supreme box and got a good bit of stuff. I'm just not happy with the tank top. That's the only thing that I'm not too happy about this time. Let me know your thoughts down below. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.